Guys, we've just done one of our trading sessions where what I've asked you to do is follow a couple of my strategies, go off and do 10 trades. And then we're going to go through, analyze the trades, the one that you did right and made money or lost money going to the 10, the ones that you've done completely wrong, where you actually didn't do any completely wrong. You've had some incredible results. Out of 10 trades, you've got 10 trades right. You turned a profit of 89%, and on a small live account, £4,031. That's incredible, guys.
It's going very well.
Yeah, well done. John, what's your thoughts on it?
I mean, the proof's in the pudding, really. I mean, when you do execute the trades correctly, you see the results and see the results very quickly. If there's anything to be learned, stick to the rules and it all goes well. But no, very, very good. Very good.
And our mentor is so amazing.
Your star pupils, guys, you've done incredible. To turn 89%, 4,031 on a live account is incredible. And you're only trading small amounts of money, right? 50p a point, pound a point. So when that becomes £10 a point and £20 a point, you're going to do exactly the same thing, but that 4,030 will be 40,000, so on and so forth, you know? So yeah, well done.